Namaskar. When it comes to losing weight, the methods most people turn to are strict diet and rigorous exercise. But did you know that breathing also can play a big role here? If you include a powerful 5 minutes breathing routine in your daily habit, you will be able to shed weight and be healthy. So today I'll tell you about how this 5 minutes practice, which includes Kapalbhati, Bhastrika and Agnisar, will help you. First, understand how does this breathing helps in weight loss. It is like this. During breathing exercises, your oxygen level raises. Oxygen is essential for cellular metabolism, particularly in the process of breaking down nutrients. By increasing oxygen consumption, breathing exercises may potentially boost metabolic rate. Breathing techniques such as Bhastrika have been shown to stimulate fat oxidation. These exercises involve brief bursts of intense breathing followed by periods of recovery. This pattern can enhance the body's ability to utilize stored fat as a fuel source, contributing to weight loss over time. Some people gain weight, especially in the middle area, because of chronic stress and high cortisol level. Cortisol is the hormone produced when you have too much stress. Here, deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system to reduce your cortisol level. And now, let us come to our 5 minutes breathing sequence for weight loss. The first technique we will see is Kapalbhati. Sit in any meditative pose. Keep your spine erect. Maybe keep your palms on your thighs, chin parallel to the ground. Clench your teeth, lips closed. And now, breathe in and breathe out. First slowly and then slowly increase the speed and the friction. And then bring force in the breath. Repeat this at least 30 times as a round and then stop and take one full breath in. Inhale fully and exhale. Relax for some time. Do this round again with rigorous speed. Here, the conscious stomach movement should not be there. Rather, whole body should be relaxed. Only the facial muscles, the muscles at the throat region would be used, not lungs or stomach. Kapalbhati Kriya improves the function of your thyroid gland and helps you maintain a healthy weight. It also detoxifies your body. Let's see the second breathing exercise in our sequence. It's powerful pranayam called Bhastrika. Here, you have to sit in a meditative pose, back straight, head straight. And now, inhalation and exhalation should be done consciously with the abdominal muscles movement. So, try and see that when you breathe in, your stomach moves up, and when you breathe out, your stomach goes down. This movement should continue. Again, little fast with complete focus on abdominal movement. Do 30 rounds of this again and stay still. Have normal breathing for some times. Again, do 30 rounds. This is how you can do 3-4 times. This pranayam increases your metabolic rate. In addition to that, it really helps you to burn calories because it is a vigorous technique. Now let's see how to do this Agnisar Kriya. Understand how to do Agnisar. Sit in any meditative posture where your back has to be straight. You can sit even on chair if you can't sit on the floor. Focus on your abdominal movement. Push your stomach in as much as you can and relax. Push again, relax. Push, relax. This is how you go on doing. Don't put your attention on breath at all. It is only stomach in and out, in and out, in and out. This continues for some time. So again, take 30 rounds of this movement and relax. In the beginning, just start with 5 to 10 rounds. Slowly come up to 30 rounds and then relax. This Kriya stimulates your digestive organs and helps in weight loss. It also improves good amount of circulation in your abdominal region. All these 3 breathing techniques you will easily be able to do in 5 minutes. The only important thing here is how regularly you practice to achieve weight loss and better health. I would like to give you some more holistic suggestions for weight loss. One is getting good sleep. That is very important because lack of sleep disrupts hormonal balance. But understand, it can also increase your appetite and craving for food. Include fruits like berries and vegetables like broccoli if they suit you. These are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Do some fitness activities that you enjoy like swimming or playing sports. This way you will be able to make exercise your daily habit. Include a 5 minutes breathing routine into your daily schedule. Along with holistic lifestyle changes, you can contribute significantly to your weight loss journey. These simple yet powerful practices will help you in maintaining a healthier weight. Namaskar.